Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Paylocity Online HR and Payroll. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you get started with Paylocity Payroll, especially if you're a beginner. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So first up, just type in paylocity.com on your website and you should be able to see this web page or landing page on the first few results of Google. And if you already have an account, then you can straight up log in through here with your company ID, username, and password. There's also the option to single sign on, log in. But if you don't have an account yet, then you're going to have to go through their process of requesting a demo. So we're just going to show that real quick. This will allow you to see Paylocity in action. You just need to fill in these details and they will be in touch with you shortly. Of course, since you're gonna specify your details such as business email and employee count as well as company and job title, your requested demo will be tailored to your business needs. So if you want to sign up for an account, then just go through their request a demo process. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on what information we can gather from Paylocity's website. So first up, Paylocity is a cloud-based payroll and human capital management or HCM software designed to streamline workforce management for businesses of all sizes. Now, here they have in their all-in-one platform a payroll software, benefits administration, HR software, time and attendance, talent management, and employee experience. So we're gonna go through all of these one by one in a bit, but for now, let's try to talk about the key features of Paylocity. So first up, Paylocity has this comprehensive payroll processing wherein there's automatic calculation of wages, taxes, and deductions. There's also support for multiple pay schedules and payment methods. And then there's also real-time compliance with tax laws and regulations. Now, in terms of tax management, there's automated tax filing and payment services. There's compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations. There's also year-end forms such as W-2s and 1099s that are prepared and distributed electronically or via email. Now they also have self-service portals. So these employee self-service portals give access to pay stubs, tax forms, and direct deposit settings. There's also manager self-service tools for approving time cards and managing payroll. Now talking about integration with time and attendance, there's a synchronization with time tracking systems to ensure accurate payroll calculations, as well as overtime tracking and compliance with labor laws. For the benefits administration, integration with benefits enrollment to manage deductions are included, as well as coordination with benefits carriers for seamless updates. Now they also have a mobile app which has an accessible payroll and HR tools for both employees and managers on the go, as well as push notifications for payroll approvals and updates. There's also custom reporting and analytics, on-demand reports for payroll costs, labor allocation and tax liabilities, and advanced analytics to track trends and make informed decisions. And lastly, for scalability and customization, there are configurable workflows to fit unique business needs, as well as scalable features for business of various sizes and industries. So in their all-in-one platform, let's check their payroll software. So their payroll software solutions, you can save time and gain confidence. Employees rely on their paychecks, just random info. All right, so let's see, request for demo, as you can see. But basically, you can submit and approve from anywhere. You can improve accuracy and reimburse faster, as well as analyze trends and reports. So this is a brief preview of what it looks to approve and submit or reimburse, as well as analyze trends and reports. You see the receipts right there. Again, a more thorough info or an explanation will be provided if you request a demo. Let's check their benefits administration right here. Same goes. You have this preview over here. So there's more autonomy and less confusion. Move from manual to magical. Turn information into insights. Connect your data with integrations. Offer diverse and competitive benefits. And simplify compliance complexities. You can see here balances and contributions. See if we can take a look at this. Right here. Convenient 24/7 access to plans and funds. So there's a health savings account, flexible spending accounts, reimbursement. So health reimbursement arrangements are tax advantaged. Employer-funded health benefit plans that reimburse out-of-pocket medical expenses, premium-only plans, COBRA administration, and transportation management. So these are just a few of the benefits and plans and funds that you have access to or are partnered with Paylocity. So let's check out HR software. Now here, human resource management system. Another brief preview of that where you have 24/7 access. It helps simplify tasks and information collection. Attain higher accuracy and reporting, store documents in a secure, centralized location, help employees stay connected, reduce compliance risk, make informed staffing decisions, and get assistance from HR experts. See, they have a compliance dashboard here. You can change how you manage tax and HR compliance. So more info on that. And then time and attendance. You see here, you can manage everything from time off to time cards, identify real-time insights, rule the rules, uncover in-depth data, approve time cards for speedy payroll, and keep everyone in the know. Of course, this is very essential to always be transparent with the timekeeping and attendance. So that's for time and attendance. Let's check out talent management right here. So effectively find and retain top talent. Schedule your interview. You can see over here. All right, so reduce time to hire, increase applicant volume, and elevate the candidate experience. More info here on that. We also promote inclusivity. All right. It's pretty good for talent management. And lastly, for employee experience, a curated employee experience solution. There's a video over here if you want to check that out, but a day through the lens of your employee, coffee in one hand, Paylocity in the other. You can get transparent real-time communication, connect and collaborate. So there's like a social media feature here, which is also important if you want to build rapport or an actual connection with your employees. Feel valued and acknowledged. There we go. There's a recognize feature here. My teammates really impressed me, so I recognize them with a peer recognition badge and a reward boost. So they have that. You can get answers quickly, build relationships around common interests, stress less over finances, and easily take action. All right, so that's all they have for their all-in-one platform. The most complete platform for the modern workforce. If you want to check more of their products, just head here. And that's what they have for their website. More info on their products here, as well as resources and a little background on Paylocity. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.